Welcome to MyDo, your smart digital assistant developed by DIGITA. Powered by AI technologies, MyDo connects human experience with data, information, and documents, creating and digitizing shared knowledge. In an industrial setting, trained on the specific context of a process or facility, MyDo can interact using natural language. MyDo, I have a process issue in the first stage of the reactor.
In seconds, MyDo analyzes logs, checks data, and gives you instructions. Check the supply gas pressure. If it's too low, the flow decreases. Check the inlet filter. It might be dirty or blocked. Also, check the compressor outlet. Confirm it's providing the correct flow.
Thank you. So what is the recommended action?
MyDo analyzes manuals and troubleshooting to provide contextual feedback. Check the valves upstream of the first stage. The inlet valve for the fuel gas, the compressor discharge valve, any manual isolation valve, and the bypass valve. Refer to page 8 of the maintenance manual for more details.
MyDo is more than a chatbot. It is an intelligent link between people, data, and information within defined contexts that accelerates learning and knowledge sharing while supporting informed decisions.
With MyDo, knowledge speaks, and it speaks your language. Intelligence, different.